Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to open this box and we're gonna play pretend. This box is Minnie Mouse food toy and we have already opened this box. It looks like this. So these are the items we are getting in this box and it's really very nice and very interesting because I love everything about this box. It's very good toy and I got this box from Disney store. Yes, it was very nice box and it was for $25. So let's see what we have here. So these are the items. This is very nice items.
We already have maple syrup. Now I'll name you the fruits. These are strawberries, these are watermelons, and these are kiwis. And I will name you all of the other stuff.
Can you show me how it goes inside?
Yes. So the first thing goes strawberry. So this is how you put it. See? And now we'll take one kiwi. We'll put one in. See everyone? One more to go. It's a watermelon. Wait. There. See everyone? Look at this nice yummy skewer. Now we'll go inside the drainer. See a really nice pink drainer. I'll put in this hole. There. Look at it. Now it's time to make a full skewer. The kiwi goes first because we're making a new one because I don't remember the other one. So here we go. This is how it goes. Should you try, kids, or do you have the same as mine? So the watermelon goes second, the strawberry goes third, and then another strawberry goes fourth. Look, this is a full one. Now we have to go and put it in this.
Wow.
Great. Wait.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Whoa. Super cute. What do we have next?
Next is the bacons.
Oh.
And these are so brand new.
Yeah, we have two bacons.
And I will tell you what are
And
they.
it's really very nice quality bacon.
And it's like a pig.
But
Pigs are bacons.
so this is what we have. Here, let's keep it there.
Let's keep it here.
And then you will get two
Two
cups.
cups.
And look at how cute these are.
Look, it has the bow in the middle.
Oh yeah.
Whoops.
Can you put that on?
Whoops.
Put it on, please. Thank you. So this is how it looks.
It looks brand new like the bacons.
Then we have toast.
It's a sandwich.
It's toast actually. So this it's really nice
It
toast.
has butter on it.
Butter, yes. This is butter
Can you
the
bring
size
it over
of
to me, please?
bow, right, Angie? Here.
Thank you. And next is the pancake.
Okay, so
It's a shape like Minnie.
yeah, it comes with this pancake shaped like Minnie Mouse. And it's really very good quality toy, I would say. Okay,
But I forgot about the egg.
and then you get two plates.
They are so happy and I love the bow.
You do?
Yes.
Yeah, it's really very cute bowl plate. Very nice. Look at
Keep
that.
it here for me,
Yeah,
please.
sure. There it is. You can keep
And
your
next
food
goes
in there.
this thing.
It's really yummy.
Next goes this thing.
And then you will get
An egg.
an egg.
That's a bow.
There's only one egg or two eggs?
Well, one egg and there's an old egg. See?
Then you get tongs, I guess. What do you call this? Please let me know in the
It's a
comment.
grabber.
And grabber,
whisk.
a whisk, cute little whisk with the bow on it. Yeah, this you can make your cake with it.
What
Mix it,
cookies?
or cookies, and
Fruit cake.
beat the eggs, fruit cake. And then you get spatula. It looks like this, shaped like a Minnie Mouse.
It looks exactly like my old one.
Yeah, that's right. And then you will get a pan
What?
that's shaped like
Minnie Mouse too.
Minnie Mouse too. Do you like your toy?
Yeah.
We're gonna play with it. Can you show us how you're gonna play with this?
So I will. First,
Okay.
I get some choco.
Now let me see one more time. Whoa.
I'll tell you how many.
Which one is your best part of this toy?
Everything.
Everything, but which one is the bestest one? I think mine is skewers because it's really nice and it's something different, I would say.
And do you know what's my favorite?
I really like it.
Everything is my favorite except the bacons. I like the bacons.
What do you mean?
It means that I like the bacons the most.
Okay, let's go.
And I'll tell you how to play with these.
Sure.
Hello everyone. Today I'm Pretend Peppa. I got some breakfast to show you. Let's go and see it. So this is what I'm going to bake. I'm going to make breakfast. So we first need to make the first Hoopla! Look everyone, some syrup. It's maple in there and no sugar in there. Now we got to put in a plate. This one. And fresh pancake is ready. All you have to put down. And here comes the next pancake. Look at this everyone. This is our next pancake. Now it's time for next. Yummy syrup tasting. See everyone? It's maple syrup. Alright. The next syrup will be on this plate. Look everyone. This is a nice yummy fresh pancake. I've got to bake eggs. See everyone, I love eggs. Whoops, what was that? It's alright, don't worry about it. 1, 2, 3, hoopla! 1, 2, 3, hoopla! There. So, look everyone, fresh egg. It goes with this pancake. Alright, so, you know what else we're going to bake? Bacon! Only it has to sizzle, not be flipped. Sandwich time! Let's get a sandwich. Look at this everyone. This is sandwich. Look at this yummy fresh sandwich. Goes on this plate. We'll even make watermelon. Actually, we're going to make skewers. Well, we'll need 2 sticks for that. These are the skewer sticks. You can even make eggs with it, but don't touch like this because it's too sharp. We have to get 2 kiwis. 1. We'll make it around 2. And 2 watermelons. 1, 2. And 3 strawberries. 1, 2, 3. Alright, these are all my fruits. We're going to start with the right stick. And now this watermelon goes second. And this kiwi goes third. I'll put these skewers on it. There. Fresh yummy skewers are ready. It's time to make toast. And pop. Toast is ready. And then Oh. Wait, we're forgetting about the straw. Huh? Alright. Look at all this yummy breakfast. Alright, kids. Bye, everyone. Subscribe to our channel when it comes to end. The end. That was the end.